The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe weather statement due to the alerts in this area. The severe thunderstorm warning, tornado emergency special weather statement, hurricane warning. The storm is creating extremely large hail and tornadoes and a new tropical storm. Take shelter now. Please do not be outdoors. Be indoors. Go to the lowest floor of a building. The areas are Beaver, Butler, Moon Township, Crescent Township, Coraopolis. Pittsburgh includes the following counties: Beaver, Butler, Armstrong, Allegheny until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time next week.